It's Zuri. We will discuss in this second part video about healthy coping substitutes. Let's dive in. The creative and productive hobbies. Another powerful coping tool? Hobbies and creative outlets. When you engage in activities like painting, journaling, cooking, gardening, or playing music, you're doing more than just passing the time. You're giving your brain a healthy distraction, expressing emotions in a productive way, and building a sense of accomplishment. For example, journaling can help process emotions and spot thought patterns. Cooking a new recipe can turn stress into creativity. Yoga, listening to music, reading a good book, gardening gets you outside. Connecting with nature has been proven to lower stress. Treat your hobby time like an appointment. Put it on your calendar. This signals to your brain that this time is important, just like a meeting or a deadline. Social and emotional support. Sometimes the best coping tool is simply reaching out to another human being. Call a friend. Talk to a family member. Join a support group or online community where you feel heard and understood. Social connection is one of the strongest predictors of mental well-being. And remember, talking about feelings is not a weakness. In fact, sharing your struggles is one of the most powerful steps you can take toward healing. If stress, anxiety, or cravings feel overwhelming, consider talking to a therapist or counselor. Therapy isn't just for crisis moments, it's a proactive way to build emotional strength. We've covered a lot, so let's put this into a simple routine you can actually follow. Here's a sample daily plan to start building healthy coping habits. Morning, begin your day with 5 minutes of stretching or a short walk to wake up your body and mind. Afternoon, take one mindful breathing break to reset your nervous system. Evening, spend 15 minutes on a hobby, journaling, or any creative outlet to wind down before bed. That's less than 30 minutes a day, and it can radically transform how you handle stress. To recap, healthy coping isn't about ignoring stress, it's about facing it with tools that help you grow stronger. Exercise, mindfulness, hobbies, connection, and a consistent routine. Now it's your turn. Which healthy coping strategy will you try this week? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Zuri's Resilient Network for more mental wellness content, and share this video with someone who might need a healthier way to cope.